Ever wonder how much you can fit in a 10 by 30 storage unit? All this stuff, plus a heck of a lot more. It's just a matter of packing your items right and using the proper packing supplies to do the job. Let's walk you through some handy pro tips to get the most out of a 10 by 30 unit. Think outside the box. Not sure how to protect an oddly shaped valuable? Our stretch wrap is perfect for unique items like large vases, custom-shaped wall units, art pieces, and for securing movable parts on your furniture like drawers and doors. Need quick access to some of the items in your storage unit? In larger units, it's best to make sure that items you'll need more readily are packed near the front for convenient access. To make it even easier to reach things inside the unit, leave an aisle between your items. Keep a stepladder on hand and organize your items with freestanding shelves. With these tips, you can use storage in a way that's easy to manage while enabling you to take full advantage of your storage space. Problem solved.